FactsVerse presents Math Tricks That Will Blow Your Mind. Number 1. What goes in the empty square? There are several math tricks that will blow your mind on the internet. While some use intricate flash presentations, others are in video or as standard JPEG files. No matter the media platform, these tricks and riddles are designed to illuminate the mind and exercise our mathematical skills. One such puzzle is the popular "What goes in the empty square" image. By simply looking at the image, you will automatically think of the most obvious answer. However, this answer is simply not correct, and you'll have to look at the puzzle again to really find the correct integer. So many people across social media platforms have gotten this one wrong. Why not try your luck? Number 2. Multiplying by 11. While it's easy to multiply any two-digit number by 11, there's an even easier way to expedite the sum. This trick simply uses the numbers you want to multiply by 11 without actually using a calculator. For example, take the number 43, add 4 plus 3 to equal 7. Next, take 7 and put it between 4 and 3 to make 473. To confirm if this is correct, simply use a calculator and multiply 43 by 11 and you'll get the exact same result. However, this formula does not work with all two-digit numbers. In order to find the best formulas to secure faster multiplication, simply review the video link below for additional steps. Number 3. Guessing the age. Most people are reluctant to tell their friends and loved ones their real ages. However, there is a simple way to guess the age of your friend, relative, or even a coworker. This is also one of the more popular math tricks that will blow your mind. Simply have your friend multiply his or her age by 5 and then add 8. Next, multiply the result by 2, then subtract 6 and multiply by 10. Ask your friend to say what number he or she has, and then subtract 100 from that number. The final step is to divide the remaining number by 100. That will give you his or her exact age. Number 4. The answer is 2. This is also one of the most popular math tricks available on the internet. In this scenario, simply think of a number. Next, add 4 to the number, then multiply the result by 4. The next step is to divide the result by 4 and finally take away from your original secret number. The answer is, was, and will always be 2. This simple yet cool trick can be done with single, double, or even triple-digit numbers if desired. It's also a great way to learn how to add, subtract, and divide without using a regular calculator. The trick also helps embed mathematical numbers and equations into your mind for years to come. Number 5. The answer is 5. As part of this series, think of any three-digit number. Next, add 7, then multiply by 2. You then subtract 4, then divide the result by 2. Subtract the original number you thought of, and the answer is 5. Again, you can double-check any answer by using a regular or online calculator. These simple yet enjoyable exercises will keep you and your friends occupied for hours. The best part is that you can try so many different numbers and integers and always come up with the same answer. Number 6. Multiplying by 9. Another one of the cool math tricks that will blow your mind is multiplying by 9. In fact, you can use the following trick to multiply any numbers between 1 and 9 by 9. Simply hold both hands out with fingers extended. Next, drop the finger that corresponds to the number you're multiplying. For example, 9 times 3, simply drop your third finger. Next, count the fingers before the dropped finger. In this scenario of 9 times 3, it'll be 2. This is your first digit. Then count the fingers after. In this case, it'll be 7, and your final answer will be 27. This does take a little bit of practice to master the finger counting technique. Number 7. Calculating an exact tip. One of the most frustrating experiences for restaurant enthusiasts is calculating tips. Here's a simple formula to use if you need to leave a 15% tip. First, divide the number by 10, then add that number to half its value, and you'll have your answer. For example, 15% of $25. That's 10% of 25 plus 10% of 25 divided by 2. So $2.50 plus $1.25 equals $3.75. Number 8. Multiplying by 4. This is an incredibly easy and simple math trick. However, so many people have not heard or seen this before. This trick can easily come in handy for so many situations that require multiplications of 4. In this scenario, multiply any number by 4, then multiply it by 2 and double the answer. For example, 35 times 4. 35 times 2 equals 70. 70 times 2 equals 140. 35 times 4 equals 140. Number 9. Choose an answer. This is another one of those cool math tricks that'll blow your mind. Simply guess any number, then double it. Next, add 12, then divide the total by 2, and subtract your original number. The answer will always be 6. Subscribe for more.